Hello. Good morning. We are leaving Quartzsite.
For the last time ever in the 25-26 season.
There you go. Yes. It's going to be a hot one.
In Quartzsite.
In Quartzsite, everywhere we go.
Well, it's going to be hot here. It's supposed to be like 103, 104. So we've decided to go right into the belly of the beast. We're going to go to Fort Mojave where it's supposed to be 109.
Oh, God.
Why not?
Going to a Boondockers welcome that has full hookups. So hopefully we will be set in air conditioning and okay. Kaylee and I have fans on us. I brought our Ogery fan into the truck and it's pointed towards her. And then I've got my handy dandy little O-Polar.
And then I just, the heat doesn't bother me that much.
Yeah, can't really run the air conditioning when we're pulling.
In this old truck.
Especially if we got any hills. But we're gonna try and stay cool. We've got a little bit longer drive today than we normally do, but we gotta do what we gotta do, right?
It's only like 17 extra miles.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Dave, it's a lot more than 70.
Yeah, but we always go about 100.
Yeah, okay. So this says 130 miles.
Oh, okay.
Ariane was waving.
Turn right on North Ringles Avenue.
Bye. See ya. Met some great people there, Scott and Ariana. We didn't get any. Oh, there's my boy.
We're not.
Gotta say goodbye. He's busy. He's busy.
Yeah.
Bye, Sandy. General, bye, baby boy. Bye. Hey, Sandy. Sandy, I left you a note in the office with the key. We could not get that lock locked.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you don't need to worry about it anyway, but okay. Yeah, they kind of got...
baby boy. Oh, my love boy.
They kind of got corroded over the winter.
Yeah.
I'm having trouble with a bunch of them.
Okay. Just wanted to let you know I put a note on your desk.
All right.
So, okay?
Yep.
Bye, General, honey. I love that dog.
Come on. You gotta get out
I love that dog.
No.
Oh. Didn't even get that.
Bye-bye.
Oh, she's a great manager, and I just love that dog. He's such a sweetheart.
1/4 mile. Turn right on East Main
All right,
Street.
here we go. We're heading south to go north.
Got a little home on wheels and a big blue sky. Tank full of diesel and a road rolling by. Coffee in a cup and a radio playing low. Another small town waiting somewhere down the road. It's Tom and Lori RV life, rolling free and wild, chasing down the sunshine mile after mile. No 9 to 5, just the wind and the drive, living every dream. It's Tom and Lori RV life. From desert sunsets to mountain air, campfire glow with a couple lawn chairs. Every mile marker feels like a brand new start when you got the open highway and a wandering heart. It's Tom and Lori RV life, rolling free and wild, chasing down the sunshine mile after mile. No 9 to 5, just the wind and the drive, living every dream. It's Tom and Lori RV life. Stars over the campground, quiet country night, lantern by the door and the moon shining bright. Stories and laughter simple life we lead. It's Tom and Lori RV life, rolling free and wild, chasing down the sunshine mile after mile. No 9 to 5, just the wind and the drive, living every dream. It's Tom and Lori RV life. Ain't about the miles or the places we see, it's the road between us and the way it sets us free. It's Tom and Lori RV life, under big country skies. Every sunset view feels like paradise, with the wheels still turning and the world outside, living every dream. It's Tom and Lori RV life, under big country skies. Every sunset view feels like paradise, with the wheels still turning and the world outside, living every dream. It's Tom and Lori RV life, under big country skies. Every sunset view feels like paradise,